my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today is a recipe video. So we're going to be applying the viral trending wrap hack and making a vegan keema egg wrap. So let's get started.
So to make the wrap, first we're going to make our vegan keema, for which in a bowl I'm going to add half a cup of raw keema, which is your soya granules, to which I'm going to add some boiling hot water and around half to 1 teaspoon of meat or mutton masala. This masala is completely vegan. It just gives the dish a good flavor. Now we can mix this up and let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, our soya granules are going to be all puffed up, and now we can keep this aside while we prepare our masala. So to make our masala in a pan, I'm going to add a knob of vegan ghee, and once that melts, we can add our whole spices here. So I'm adding a bay leaf, a large black cardamom, and a stick of cinnamon. So now we can saute this for around a minute. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of crushed garlic and a teaspoon of crushed ginger. Now we can saute this for a few minutes till the ginger garlic paste lose its raw fragrance and change color. Next, I'm going to add a whole onion chopped, and now we're going to saute this till the onions get caramelized. Once the onions are caramelized, I'm going to add one large tomato chopped here. And to which I'm going to add Himalayan pink salt to taste, around half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of meat masala. Now we can stir this all up really well. And next I'm going to add 1 green chili chopped. Now we can mix this up. Cover it with a lid and let it cook nicely for a good 5 to 7 minutes. So once our masala is done, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of green peas here, and we can mix that in our masala, to which I'm going to add our soya granules here. So make sure to squeeze the water out nicely from the soya granules that we had soaked, and then we can add it to this mix. We can give this all a good stir. And at this point, I recommend you add half a cup of hot water and mix it up really well before you cover the lid and let it cook for another 10 minutes. This will give your keema a good consistency. I skipped this step, so my keema landed up being a little dry than ideal. And post 10 minutes, I'm going to remove our lid, add juice of half a lemon, Garnish it with some coriander, and our keema is done. We can enjoy this keema as a sabzi or with pav as well. So now it's time to make our vegan egg scramble, for which here I'm using an amazing egg replacer. I shall put the link in the description box as to where you can buy this from. So in a pan I'm going to add few blobs of this, and we don't need to add any oil here. I'm going to further season it with some Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder and some onion powder. We don't need to add much flavorings here as our keema has a lot of flavoring in it. And now we can keep stirring this into a scramble. And once cooked, you can switch off the gas. So it's finally time to assemble the wrap. Here I'm going to use a thin large whole wheat roti for it, and I'm going to cut it with the help of a knife from the center of the roti till the end of it. On 1/4 part of the roti, I'm going to spread some vegan mayo. Top it with some chopped lettuce. On the second part of the roti next to it, I'm going to add our vegan keema that we just cooked. On the third part, we can put the vegan egg scramble. And on the fourth part, we can add some sliced onions. Now we can wrap it up like this. Now on a grilling pan, I'm going to add some vegan butter and little oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to toast our wrap on it for around a minute on both sides. Once done, we can enjoy our wrap just the way it is, or we can slice it into two and have it. So that's our amazing vegan keema egg wrap using the wrap hack.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Go ahead and try it out and let me know how did it turn out. If If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.